Hi, it's Peter Stand back in the SNG Barratt workshop with another how-to video. This time we're looking at the MAF airflow sensor on this car. We plugged a reader into the OBD port and it told us that there was a problem, so we're just going to do a straight swap out and change it for a new one. We're doing this on our XK8, but it's pretty much the same on most modern Jaguars. Very similar system, and in the main, quite accessible. In this case, it's right on the top of the engine, 2 screws and it's done. Just putting a little magnetism in my screwdriver, just so that the screws will actually stick to the screwdriver and I don't lose them into the bowels of the engine bay, which does happen from time to time, and it's quite frustrating. The first thing I'm going to do is just disconnect the wiring harness to the sensor. Just push that out of the way. Just a single click and it should go. It's a bit tight. There we go, that's out of the way. Couple of screws and it's out. Now there's the naughty unit. And I have a brand new one here, which I'll just pop straight back in. Exactly the same. Two screws back in, just make the connection with the wiring harness, goes in with a click. There we go. Well, thank you for watching. There are plenty more how-to YouTube videos from SNG Barratt. Have a look.